Okay, so what we got here is a piece of pure eye candy, at least to me. This year's a 2015 Gulf Coast Raindance. I've paired with gloss black blades. Color shift paint has been applied to it, as it was white originally and very rusty. But you know what? It was a keeper. Sideband is gloss black, and top is also color shift as well. As you can see, it changes along with the angle the light's at. So I got 52-inch blades on this one. You can put 56 on it because the motor is rated for such a larger blade, as this is a 188 by 20. All right, let's get started here. Hello. I haven't done anything with the speeds yet. This may be a candidate for 4-speed, but yeah, this is the factory low. A little hummy, but nothing out of the usual. Power draw is about 27 watts on the dot. So that's kind of like a medium speed, usually. I'd call that on normal fans. But this fan really does need an aesthetic low, I think. Alright, let's go to medium. Medium picks up good speed here. 60 watts. So yeah, it's about high speed, high power draw for typical fans. Alright, let's go to high. And watch it fly. That thing takes off. 104 watts, so just a little bit over 100. What a great fan. Alright, let's turn it off. Alright. Glad to have a Raindance in my collection now. So this one probably won't be going outside. I do have another, so I haven't done anything with it yet. It's still in its original condition, completely rusted out almost. But the bearings on these fans are perfect. This one, well, this one here is a little bit stiff, but the other one is like brand new. So, but, I've let this run overnight on high, so it seems to have um, loosened up a bit. But there we have it. The mid 2015 Gulf Coast Raindance, customized with the color shift paint and gloss black blades. Hope you all have a good one.